Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in discussion 1, video introductions. Okay, let's survey this assignment. Let's find out what it's all about. The first thing we see is the beautiful girl recording a video of herself, and this image is appropriate because that's what you're going to do. You're going to record a video of yourself, making a video introduction for everybody in this class, okay? So let's find out how to do so. We have a checkout sign flashing. We have directions how to upload a video and a Canvas discussion. It is right here. We have 2 links. We have the timeline for this discussion 1 assignment, and we have the assignment purpose. We also have a part 1 and we have a part 2. Let me read part 1. In a video that is not more than 1 to 2 minutes, 60 to 120 seconds in length, answer the questions below. Number 1, who am I? What's my major? And what are my plans for the future? Number 2, do I like to read on my own? And if so, do I have a favorite writer or writers and particular genres that I like to read? 3, how important is the concept of pulchritude to my life? How does it affect me? Okay, so genres, the definition of this word, concept, and pulchritude are all here. You just need to click on these links. You will answer these questions and use this helpful video here to show you how to do so. But what's part 2? What are we doing in part 2? Respond to 2 peers' postings, either in writing or via a 30-second video. If you respond in writing, your response to each pair should total a minimum of 125 words, half a page. What should you say or write in your response? Compare your peers' answers to your own. And by answers, we mean the answers to these questions. Okay, I'm scrolling up and I'm going to click on the timeline just so you're aware of it. Our timeline for this assignment is post part 1 by 11:59 p.m. on Thursday, and post part 2 by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. If you cannot meet this timeline, go ahead and talk to me in inbox right here. Send me an email and let me know what's going on, and I'll do my best to work with you. All right, I'm clicking on the back arrow. I'm back into the assignment. I have not clicked on the assignment purpose link. I'm going to let you do that on your own and learn what this assignment is all about. I'm scrolling up to the top of the screen, and I'm going to tell you have fun in this discussion 1 assignment. Have fun meeting your peers. All right, if you have any questions or concerns, I'm right here in inbox, and you're never emailing me too much. Never apologize for emailing me. That's what I'm here for, and I love to hear from you. All right, have fun with discussion 1. Enjoy these video introductions.